Hello, Siobhan here. Um, I am making a skirt from a Halloween or pajama pants. This is the front. I'm still kind of working on some of the triangles for here. And I am now unstitching the old seam from the back. As you can see, I'm just kind of using an old craft knife and just slip through, slide across. Just kind of. That's what I'm doing for now. Back again, so this is what I do. Pin it and zigzag it all the way to the end. Well, to here. Okay, so now I'm starting on the back. I sewn some of the squares to it. And to the side, pinned. So zigzag, and then just regular stitch after that. Hello, back again. So I'm done the back. And this is the front. And so now I gotta sew the black, this side with this. And then it'll be done. And then I'll show you more of it after. Okay, so I got my front and back stitched together. Oops, pretty long. And as you can see here, I got my little frillies or trim. So I'm gonna pick out to go in the bottom here. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back again with the two frillies trims I want. Maybe I want. They're both equal, kind of long. One's wrapped. So yeah. I might use one of these ones, or I might go out and find one. I'll let you know tomorrow. So, yeah. Hi. So I didn't use the lace ribbon that I want to use, so I ordered some off Amazon. I'm getting this one here. That's one of them, and the other one I ordered is this one. So I gotta wait for those. So I'm back again. I did my waistband, or the belt. I did it differently. So this will go over like this, and then I sew along on top of this one. Next thing I gotta do is gather all this so it fits on here. And then once I get my ribbon from Amazon, that'll be up next. Then I can move on, I guess. Okay, next thing I'm doing now is gathering it. So I have a lot of more ways to go.
I'm going to gather this to make sure it fits this. Okay, now I'm stuffing the waistband with the elastic. Go all the way around. Okay, back again. This is what the skirt looks like. You can see the frays because I'm still waiting on my lace that I ordered, the one that I showed you in the video. And so when I get those, sew those on. Well, one of them on anyways, and then it's done. Okay, so a quick comparison. This is what the pants used to look like. Normal pajama pants. So it went from this to that. Hello, Siobhan here. And here is the ribbon I ordered offline that I showed you in my previous video. I ordered this back in the beginning of last month and it finally came in like 2 days ago. Such a long wait. Now that I see it in person, I don't think I'm gonna use this for the bottom trim of my one skirt. I might probably make my own because it probably has something better to use with this now. So yeah, I oh, excuse me. I can't remember if I ordered another one. Oh jeez, pop. But this would be used for a different project, I guess, and I'll just make my own little ribbon trim frilly thing. So yeah, it's a long wait. Till next time. So instead of using the lace, the ribbon lace, I'm just zigzagging it. And then I'm just going to roll it over. And then do a straight stitch after that. So yeah, that's all I'm doing for now until I... Just like that. And so with a lot of zigzagging, this is what you have. And then when you flip over, this is what it looks like. I went around with a zigzag in 4 times in different sizes. And so that is everything for now. And so now I am done. So there we go. Sorry. But yeah, this is what it looks like. The elastic. Well, the reason why it's like this is because I wasn't seeing what I was doing, and so I messed up. And then this is just another part of elastic because I thought I had enough. But errors and tries. But it's good, so I like it. That's for me anyways. The bottom. Oh, another project I did. Oh, something to do. It's the back. For this part, I had to sew it all by hand because my sewing machine couldn't handle the gathering. But no, yeah, back to the skirt. I think it looks better without the ruffles anyways. As you can see, it's a high-low, low in the, or high in the front kinda, and low in the back. So yeah, just a pair of pajamas I had lying around. Some fabric. Make any triangle or shape that you want. And just sew away. Try and get, yeah. Happy sewing!